Solve 22x cube minus 19x square minus 106x plus 40 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 22x cube minus 19x square. In place of minus 106x, now I write plus 4x minus 110x plus 40 equal to 0. Did you understand? In place of minus 106x, now I have written plus 4x minus 110x. That's it. Next. Now from these three terms, what can be taken out common is x. So here you get 22x square minus from this x out you get 19x plus from this x out you get 4. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 10. Here you get 11x and here you get minus 4 equal to 0. Now in this equation we have come across quadratic. So I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 22x square minus 19x plus 4. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 19x. So in place of minus 19x, now I write minus 11x minus 8x plus 4. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I have split minus 19x to minus 11x minus 8x. Okay, next. Now what can be taken out common from these two terms is 11x. So here you get 2x minus from this 11x out you get 1. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. Now from this 2x gone inside, outside you get minus 4. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 1 common. So here you have 11x and here minus 4. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this. I repeat, in place of this quadratic, now I will write this. So this equation will change to x times 2x minus 1, 11x minus 4. Over here no change, equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 11x minus 4. So 11x minus 4 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 2x minus 1, and over here we are left with minus 10 equal to 0. Now 11x minus 4. Here you open up the brackets in this way. You get 2x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 2x square minus x minus 10. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 1x. So in place of minus 1x, now I write minus 5x plus 4x minus 10. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I have split minus 1x to minus 5x plus 4x. Okay, next. Now what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. So here you get 2x minus from this x out you get 5. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside you get plus 2. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 5 common. So here you have x and here plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this. I repeat, in place of this quadratic, now I will write this. So this equation will change to 11x minus 4, 2x minus 5, x plus 2 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we have product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 11x minus 4 equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, first I should remove minus 4, so add 4. You get 11x equal to 4. Now I should remove 11, so divide by 11. You get x equal to 4 by 11. Now here, first I should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 2x equal to 5. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 5 by 2. Now here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. So the x values that we got are 4 by 11, 5 by 2 and minus 2. This is our answer. Am I clear?